Hello everybody, welcome back to another Ethereum update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to show you what's happening right now for Ethereum price after the FOMC meeting, which it happened the obvious scenario, the 25 basis point, which for me guys, I told you that both scenario yesterday was bullish only for the Bitcoin price because the 25 basis point for the stock market is bearish and for the global economy is bearish, and the reason of that is because that those rates gonna stay high for extended period. Okay, we need to see a decreasement of those rates or at least a stop on increasement. So yesterday we saw another increasement, 25 basis point, which is huge. If you actually think about that, these rates always increasing and we haven't seen even a stop yet on those rates, and probably we won't see. So for me, this is bad for the global economy, and subsequently this is very good for the Bitcoin price, because as you saw guys, we saw lots of banks which went into bankruptcy, and with those high rates and high inflation rates and all these unemployment rates and all these things, guys, more banks are gonna get into a collapse, and that's of course gonna cause a recession. And I believe that people gonna distrust completely the governments, and they're gonna put big money on the crypto space. So that's why there is a huge probability to jump into a bull run earlier than we're supposed to jump from the 4-year cycle. This is my thought. Okay, so on Ethereum right now, because all these things I'm gonna describe it more on my Bitcoin video. On Ethereum right now, yesterday we spoke about guys this ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern, and after the FOMC meeting guys, we experienced this drop which led the Ethereum guys from $1,812 back to $1,720, and right now guys, Ethereum is pumping a lot and is actually at $1,772. And if you actually follow me on Twitter, you have already know that I made a post after a couple hours after of the FOMC meeting that I told you that there is a huge potential scenario that all the dip to be bought in the next coming hours, and you can clearly see that. Also made a tweet 4 hours later. I won't be shocked if I see tomorrow, which I mean today, the Bitcoin price again at $28,500. And guys, before 4 hours I made another tweet which the Bitcoin price had a pump. So that's why it's really important to follow me on Twitter, because as you can understand, I'm updating you with whatever I believe is going to happen as the next move on the crypto space within a day. So follow me on Twitter guys, is a must I think for you. So before we continue into more analysis where I believe we're going to get into a short term for Ethereum price, all I want from you guys is to stay until the end of the video if you would like to know that, and smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much continue this journey. And with your very simple process of daily like, daily comments, share your friends, share your social media, you're actually helping me so much, and appreciate for this help, support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone. And guys, right now let's jump to our analysis in the 4-hour time frame. You can see the Ethereum right now is trying to get back on this ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. And guys, if we're gonna break actually this massive resistance at $1,845, $47 around that area, if we're gonna break this massive resistance, then obviously the scenario is gonna become extremely bullish. And if you remember my previous price target from my previous video, I mean, guys, we have the next price target for Ethereum at $2,000. It was actually the price target of this ascending triangle, and this kind of a dump can actually call that dump as a bear trap. Okay, we have all this $2,000 as a technical price target of this ascending triangle, and the next very strong resistance for Ethereum is the $2,300, which is a daily resistance of a previous bull run. If you remember, it was back from March of 2022. And right now guys, also if you remember, on the weekly time frame we have a big symmetrical triangle, which if we're gonna get back to that area which I told you is the $1,850 and break this massive resistance, which is actually the $1,860, then guys, obviously the $2,000 price target is inevitable. And also if you notice here is the previous height of Ethereum, And also, if we're gonna break this height, guys, then the bull run will begin for Ethereum. As we're gonna stay above this $2,000 area, guys, then obviously I believe subsequently we're gonna see another run, which we're gonna get straight to $2,300. Probably we're gonna find weakness to surpass in the first time, then another retracement back to $2,000, and then another massive pump over $3,000. This is the super bullish scenario, if of course it's gonna play out this scenario with this symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame. And if you remember, guys, this symmetrical triangle has a technical price target which is exactly in the area of $3,066. Okay, and right now I'm gonna tell you the scenario which I don't give that much probabilities to happen, which is the dump. Okay, of course there is a dump on the table for the Bitcoin price to get back to $25,200. But guys, after this adoption that I show, I believe that because more banks will go into a collapse, I believe that we're going to see more adoption of the crypto space, and we're going to jump into this bull run earlier than we're supposed to move. That's why I believe that we can have a potentially bull run earlier than we are waiting for. Okay, because everybody's shocked when the three banks which collapsed, the three first banks which collapsed, Bitcoin pumped so much. We had the most insane volume ever, the most insane buying pressure ever on the crypto history, and it was a historical moment, this insane pump from $20,000 up to $26,000. And obviously, guys, if this scenario is going to play out, as I told you, the altcoin is going to follow. But let's say the scenario that the Bitcoin is going to get back to $25,200. Then obviously Ethereum, guys, also can drop back to $1,570 area. Okay, this is my price target just in the case Bitcoin gonna do a drop. And this is the video, guys. I'm gonna close it here, and we're gonna speak more about the fundamentals and for more further deep analysis on my Bitcoin video. That's why you shouldn't miss my Bitcoin videos. And I will see you later, guys. Your boy Chris is out. Bye.